everybody. This is my friend Tatum. We are going to be doing the Ice Queen themed face paint design on our Ditto. I'm going to use a one stroke that I put together. It has like 5 different shades of blue, dark blue, teal, dolphin blue, and white. And for this design, it's pretty easy. All we're gonna do is start here on the corner and add some beautiful paint. Then we're gonna go to the other side. Keep your eyes closed. Tatum, you must have had your eyes, like your whole face painted before because you're sitting for me really nicely. I'm gonna do your other side just a little bit. I'm gonna make it look like you have eyeshadow on since you're sitting so nicely for me. So this design has a tiara or crown. If you have a round sponge, you can take the one stroke and just brush it over the top. And it'll all come off onto the sponge. Then we're just gonna take this and go boop. And she gets like this cool orb on her forehead. Look at that, so easy. We'll do another one right here. Boop, and then another one right here. It looks like this cool galaxy swirl kind of thing. Then we're gonna add just a little bit glitter. You like glitter, right? Mm-hmm. Close your eyes, chin up high. Then we're just gonna spritz some glitter all over your beautiful face. Now, for this design, I'm gonna work from the corner of her eye right in here. Pull it up and swirl it around. Have to make sure that it's not too wet. And just keep your eyes closed for me. Tatum, how old are you?
7.
So she's 7 years old. She's gonna sit a lot better than, say, a 3-year-old. I wouldn't recommend, keep your eyes closed, I wouldn't recommend going that far in or close to a 3-year-old. Some 4-year-olds will sit nicely, but not all. We're gonna do teardrops towards the inside, and then I just do a little swirl underneath for some extra detail. And then some short, small teardrops in. And then matching ones on the other side. And for the tiara, beautiful tiara part, I like to just take this and do a gentle little swoop. And then we'll connect. Boop, 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 boop. Match it on the other side. Using my round number 6. Mark Reed, round number 6. Use it for just about everything. And then, that is super pretty. I think you're gonna like this a lot. Do just a little bit more right here. Some little teardrops in, since she's sitting so nicely. So I always use purple glitter. Mama Clown's purple glitter. Regardless of what shade of lips that we're doing. And I'm just gonna say, make sure that you use sanitizer in your water. I'm gonna spritz. Always put sanitizer in your water so it doesn't spread germs. If you're not using sanitizer, you should not be face painting. All right, my dear. I'm gonna let you take a look at yourself in the mirror. I think you look amazing. Okay, you wanna wave bye-bye?
Bye.
Thank you.